In the quiet, dimly lit rooms of scientific archives and private laboratories, a single photograph surfaced that would shake the very foundations of human understanding. At first glance, it appeared mundane, a city skyline at dusk, the sun dipping behind tall buildings, golden light reflecting off glass surfaces. People walking, cars moving, lights flickering, a typical scene. Yet, the photograph held anomalies so subtle, yet so profound, that once discovered, it defied explanation. Streets did not align correctly, shadows fell at impossible angles, and certain structures seemed to exist in multiple locations simultaneously, as if reality itself had been overlaid with an invisible pattern from another world. The photographer, an amateur who stumbled upon the image during a routine walk, had no idea of the significance. To the naked eye, it seemed ordinary, even beautiful. But when scientists analyzed the photo using advanced spectral imaging and quantum sensors, layers of impossibility emerged. Light itself seemed to bend unnaturally across certain areas. Reflections contradicted the positions of light sources. Some elements in the image fluctuated when observed repeatedly, suggesting a dynamic reality overlapping with our own. The first people to examine the photograph reported psychological and physical sensations that defied logic. Vertigo, sudden nausea, disorientation, and a strange sense of time dilation were common. Some felt that their surroundings seemed to momentarily shift, as if the boundaries of reality were softening. Others experienced vivid hallucinations. They glimpsed alternative versions of themselves moving through streets or imagined events occurring in parallel. A few even reported hearing faint echoes, sounds that seemed to originate from a place outside the known universe. Experts from physics, cosmology, and cognitive sciences flocked to study the image. Advanced simulations suggested that the photograph captured two realities temporarily aligned, overlapping in ways that created measurable distortions in space-time. Light waves interfered with one another, energy signatures fluctuated unpredictably, and minute gravitational anomalies were detected in the vicinity of the original photograph. These phenomena could not be replicated in laboratory conditions, indicating a one-of-a-kind event, an accidental glimpse into a parallel dimension. The implications were staggering. Philosophers began questioning the nature of existence. If parallel realities truly exist, what does that mean for identity, choice, and fate? Could multiple versions of ourselves be living out different possibilities simultaneously? The photograph became a bridge to speculative yet profoundly disturbing ideas that the universe is layered, multidimensional, and teeming with possibilities beyond human comprehension. Prolonged exposure to the photograph revealed even stranger effects. Some researchers reported becoming obsessively drawn to the image, unable to stop analyzing its patterns. Dreams became intertwined with the anomalies in the photo. Thoughts of alternate lives, invisible cities, and impossible landscapes intruded upon waking consciousness. Observers describe the sensation of time bending, of reality being fluid, and the feeling that their perception had been subtly altered. Technological analysis only deepened the mystery. High-resolution imaging revealed details invisible to the naked eye, including faint geometric shapes and patterns reminiscent of advanced architecture that could not exist according to known physical laws. quantum-level scans suggested the existence of particles behaving inconsistently with our universe, fluctuating in mass and energy in ways that contradicted every known principle. Instruments designed to measure magnetic fields, light, and gravitational forces recorded irregularities that suggested cross-dimensional interference. Theories about the photograph's origin abound. Some speculate it is a rift, a momentary alignment of parallel universes allowing one to bleed into the other. Others suggest the photograph is a recording of higher dimensional space, captured at a rare point where the boundaries of dimensions overlap. A few even propose that the image represents an alternate Earth, a world existing simultaneously alongside our own, hidden yet intertwined. Regardless of the theory, all agree on one thing: the photograph challenges everything humanity knows about the nature of reality. The human impact has been profound. Observers often describe awe, fear, and exhilaration all at once. The photograph raises profound existential questions. If alternate realities exist, what is the nature of time, cause, and effect? Are there events unfolding in these other realities that mirror or contradict our own? Could understanding this image unlock knowledge about parallel universes, time travel, or unseen dimensions? Governments and private institutions have taken a keen interest, recognizing the potential implications for technology, physics, and even strategic advantage. Security measures are tight, and only select researchers are granted access. The photograph is treated not merely as a scientific curiosity but as a phenomenon of potential global significance, capable of altering the understanding of the universe itself. Every new analysis uncovers more questions than answers. Shadows shift in ways that defy light physics. Reflections suggest the presence of entities or structures that cannot exist in our dimension. Energy readings spike unpredictably, and some electronic devices malfunction in proximity to the photograph. It is as if the image contains a fragment of reality outside our own, exerting influence even on those studying it. The photograph also inspires philosophical debate. It is a tangible reminder that reality may be multi-layered, infinitely complex, and far stranger than human perception allows. Some argue that it proves the existence of multiple dimensions. Others caution that while the photograph provides evidence, it may be a fleeting anomaly, a glimpse into something humans are not yet equipped to understand fully. For the public, the photograph remains shrouded in secrecy. Few have seen it, and those who have describe experiences that are simultaneously terrifying and awe-inspiring. Each viewing brings new insights, new questions, and a lingering awareness that the universe holds infinite mysteries just beyond human reach. Ultimately, the photograph is more than an image. It is a gateway to the unknown, a record of a reality that exists beyond the limits of human perception, and a challenge to everything we thought we understood about space, time, and existence itself. It is a reminder that the universe is far stranger, deeper, and more mysterious than we can ever imagine. As long as it exists, it will continue to inspire curiosity, fear, and wonder, urging humanity to confront the boundless mysteries of reality and the hidden dimensions that surround us, waiting to be discovered.